Hello, welcome back. This is another tutorial on the Final Cut Pro. If you want to remove the green screen from your video footage, then you are in the right place. Guys, we can easily remove the green screen by single click on the Final Cut Pro. Yes guys, I'm telling true. This is the demo video. I'm using a green screen footage here. After removing the green screen, it's look like this. So this is how we can change the environment or background by removing the green screen from Final Cut Pro. So let's see how we can do that. For demo purpose, I have imported a video clip which is having green screen background and a background image. Import the video clip into the timeline. After that, click on the video clip and come here and select the effect icon. So now you will find video effects here. There you need to find keying. After that, click on the keyer and drag and drop on the video clip. Now we can see by using keyer we have removed the green background. Let's drag and drop the background under the video clip. Make sure you have drag under the video clip. Now let's play. That's it guys, this is how we can remove the green screen from the video footages in a single click by using keyer on Final Cut Pro. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon. I will meet you in the next exciting video like this. Until then, bye bye.